Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to fix Microsoft Teams error. So guys, if you ever encounter this one, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to the start menu. From here, just simply search for add or remove programs and open this one. And after that, just simply search this list over here and go for Microsoft Teams. Just simply select this one and uninstall it, uninstall, and after that uninstall the others as well. And now once you have done that, you could just simply go to the start menu again and go for run and go for percentage app data percentage. After that, just simply go for this one and click on OK. And after that, just simply find the Teams over here and just simply right click on it, just simply delete it, and just simply go for the Google or any web browser, search for Microsoft Teams. And after that, on the third one, you should be able to see here download MS Teams. Just simply select this one, and after that, just simply download the Microsoft Teams for Windows, and you should have this window pop up over here. Just simply select the folder over here. Just simply double click on the setup, and after that, it will automatically download and it will set it up for you, and just simply wait for some time. And if prompted, just simply sign in into your account and it will automatically set up for you. There you go, just simply reinstall the application and you should be able to fix any issue.